Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
Sorry, I'm trying to call someone to make sure that I'm safe.
Step out of the vehicle. You are safe. Stop.
I don't feel safe. I do not feel safe.
Don't trap my arm. Don't trap my arm.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Hey, ma'am, lower the window. You're going to hurt this officer.
Lower your window.
Ma'am, lower
your window with your other arm.
Ma'am.
Have you ever stopped to consider just how powerful and effective pro-police propaganda is? You know, shows like Live PD and Cops and other pro-police shows that glorify the violation of our fellow Americans. It's so powerful that on the heels of Slushygate, where cops targeted innocent people walking along the sidewalk, minding their own business, by throwing large cups of soft drinks at them in their police vehicles while in uniform.
Hey, baby, you got change for $1? How about a drink?
The cell phone videos were taken by LMPD officers from the now disbanded 9th Mobile Unit. They capture multiple instances of officers throwing drinks at pedestrians and cyclists and then laughing about it. Some videos were taken by an officer in a car driving behind another LMPD vehicle from which the drinks were thrown.
And on the heels of case after case of millions of dollars in county and city payouts because of police brutality, and even on the heels of murder after murder committed by the boys in blue, people still give these psychopathic, badge-wearing creeps the benefit of the doubt when they bring team tyranny into the life of another person. Cops are supposed to be there to keep harm from happening to people, not causing harm. This video from the Police Plug channel is more proof that individuals who have neither stolen from nor harmed another person are targets of power-tripping, badge-wearing psychopaths. The name of the video is Woman Traps Cop's Arm in Car Window During Traffic Stop. Under the video we read, on April 26, 2022, an officer was conducting surveillance on a vehicle. The automatic license plate reader read back that the driver's registration was suspended. Conducting surveillance on a vehicle owned by an American? Doesn't that sound like something that might happen in North Korea or something the SS or Gestapo would do? Seems to me that it's a violation of your right to be secure in your person. It's an automatic violation of your privacy. Let's just sit back and watch this attack unfold on this woman by the Scotch Plains, New Jersey Police Department.
Ma'am, open the window. How are you, man? Officer Baltar, Scotch Plains Police. Your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah, thank you.
You have your license, your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah, not a problem. Thank you.
I need your license. Open the window, or I'm gonna break the window and you'll be placed under arrest.
See, cops don't like it when you don't talk to them, when you don't consent or respect their authority. When they don't get what they want, of course, they resort to threats of violence and property damage. That's their MO. That's what they do. That's what's residing inside the darkness of their hearts.
Ma'am? 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 Your license, registration, and insurance. If you don't comply, I will break the window and you will be placed under arrest. Do you understand that?
Ma'am.
Open the window. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
Sorry, I'm trying to call someone to make sure that I'm safe.
Step out of the vehicle. You are safe. Stop.
I don't feel safe. I do not feel safe.
Don't trap my
Feel safe.
Don't trap my arm.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Hey, ma'am,
right
lower
now?
the window. You're going to hurt this
Lower
officer.
your window.
Ma'am, lower the
your window with your other arm.
Ma'am.
So let's be honest about this situation and keep everything in context. A strange man reaches his arm into a woman's car without consent. She closes the window on his arm because obviously she's fearing for her life, but she's the one who gets charged with assault, and the lemming masses applaud this tyranny? This is clown world on steroids.
Lower your window with your other arm. Lower your window with your other arm.
You got a punch on this?
No.
Ma'am,
Lower your window. You are now under arrest.
Ma'am,
You are now under arrest.
Ma'am, lower the window.
You are now under.
Stop! Ma'am, lower the window! Ma'am, lower the window! Ma'am, lower the window! And an additional unit.
Let's see, in a world where morality was glorified and immorality was condemned, what would this action be called? Oh yeah, this would be called carjacking and kidnapping. But for some bizarre reason, the aggressors and agitators are seen as the heroes in this story. This is why you always record the police.
Get out of the car.
Why?
You're under arrest now.
Why? What did I do? I'm
Aggravated
just trying to
assault
call
on
my
aggravated
lawyer.
Raise the window and officer. Can we open
I
this?
didn't realize he could put my...
Can we open this door?
Why are you guys
Ma'am,
doing this right
ma'am,
now?
you're under arrest. Ma'am,
What
you're
did I
under arrest.
do? Can you tell me what I did,
You're
you
arrested for
guys?
aggravated assault against a police officer.
Can you tell me what I did? I am
You're under
hurt
arrest.
here.
You're under arrest.
Under arrest for
Step out of the
what?
car.
Step out of the car. Turn around.
Step out of the car.
Your back.
Under arrest for what? Can you
Aggravated assault.
How is there aggravated assault? Could you please tell me?
When the officer tells you to open the door and has to put his arm through the window, and then
Why was his
and then
arm going through my
you're
window?
under. Just pat her down real quick, make sure.
Why was his arm going...
You alright? You good? Yeah. Pat her down real quick. Yeah. Search her now.
Serious right now?
Yeah. You're under arrest.
Do you have a mother? Do you have a sister?
We're past that already. You're under arrest for aggravated assault. He told you multiple times to lower your window, open the door, and then when he put his arm through your window and you intentionally raised the window and then hurt this officer, now you're under arrest for aggravated assault. And plus,
You are accusing me of something I did not do.
you're
right
not.
now.
You're under arrest.
Okay.
You're under arrest. Bring it to the back over here. Which one's your car? Mike?
38.
You checked they're good?
Yeah, she didn't have any pockets on.
Okay.
Does this coat have any pockets?
I'm bleeding on my hand too. Yeah. With the broken glass. Hey, just watch out with the broken glass too.
Yeah, you're bleeding because it was your fault you violated her rights and broke her window.
Alright, we'll just
Run you all roll around. Yeah. She's the one. It's the female we have here.
Are you guys serious
Got
right
a fly by
now?
her.
step into the vehicle, watch your head.
Yeah, so can I...
Step into the vehicle and watch your head. Step into the vehicle and watch your head.
Let me get the book on.
Can you tell me what I'm arrested for?
Aggravated assault.
I need to... Hold on.
Get back in the car.
Get back in the car.
Come on.
Turn around.
Four of you guys now, huh? Five of you guys. So you're not giving me any chance to retrieve my stuff or make sure my things are okay?
Stay there.
Why? You're not going to tell me why I was pulled over to
Ma'am,
begin
watch your
with?
foot. Watch your foot. You explain everything. Just watch your foot.
No, you're not explaining.
Last year you're under recall.
Can I help you, sir? Okay. Take your hands out of your pocket for me. Appreciate it. Okay, she's under arrest right now. And then when she is released, when she gets out, she can give you a call. Okay? Okay. Please get back to your car now. This is a crime scene.
Well, now it's a crime scene. Everything was fine before the cops showed up.
We're good. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Yeah. Hey, bud, just watch him. He was with her, and I don't need him coming back to the scene over here. He can leave, actually, bud. We're gonna get her back into headquarters. Just wait for whoever that unit is.
1-6.
I'm just not indulging somebody who keeps repeating themselves, so you can stop. If you want to keep going, you can, but you're not going to get anything out of me. So, okay, well, I don't have to have a conversation with you. Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am, I don't need advice.
No, I'm not asking.
I'm not asking you for your advice, is what I'm saying. Okay? Thank you. Ready? Alright, step out of the vehicle. Alright, sit down. How did that happen?
I don't know. Thank you.
Step out. Wait. You're gonna walk up the stairs. Step to the right. Not up, step to the right. Thank you. I said step to the right, not step up. Have you searched? I'm gonna take the handcuffs off, you're gonna put both hands on the wall. Do you understand? Okay, turn around, face the wall. Hand on the wall, please. Thank you. Remove your jacket, please. No, you
So it
can't.
doesn't. I don't.
I have to put it down. Ma'am, it's not an option. Put your hand against the wall.
You guys claim for my.
Put your hands against the wall. On the wall. On them.
I really do not.
Alright, do you want to get
wall.
obstruction too?
I
Well,
already
you're
got
not following instructions is your
They're
problem.
on the wall.
No, they're not. They're not touching. Put them
Are you
on-
gonna clean them?
Put them on the wall,
Are
and
you
I'm not
gonna
going to
clean
tell
them?
you again.
So could you clean it for me, please?
Do you? No.
Okay,
Put your hands
so
on the
then
wall.
I'm putting them on the wall.
Ma'am, I'm not going to
They're
have a
not
argument with
moving.
you.
They're not moving. I
Place
assure
them.
you.
I don't want your shirt.
Can I pee?
want no.
Can I
Put
pee?
your hands on the wall now.
I need
I'm
to
not
pee.
asking you a question.
Can I pee?
Place your arms on the wall. If I have to hold them, I will
Can
hold
I
them
pee,
when I'm
please?
done.
Yes.
Wow. If somebody could just, listen, it would be so hard, right? It would be done already.
I'm so sorry that you have such a life, because I do too. But Jesus, you picked the wrong job.
Yeah, I picked the wrong job.
Yeah, you did.
Spread your legs. Thank you.
Keep them on the wall.
Keep them on the wall.
You guys are fired.
Great. We're ridiculous.
Can you tell me why I got pulled over?
I already explained that to you.
You said because.
You played that hand and you have a warrant. That's it. It's that simple. It's not our fault. We're not the ones that put the warrant on you. We didn't arrest you. Whenever you got arrested, that's not on us.
When I got
Keep your hands
arrested,
on the wall,
Keep his hands on the
this is
wall.
on you. This is on you right now.
No, when you got arrested before,
Take a seat on the chair. Take your socks off.
My socks off?
Correct.
is this your first time being arrested?
No, it's not.
Okay, so you should be familiar with this. Let me sleep on your feet, please. Put your socks back on. You can put your shoes back on.
What were you arrested for before? Probably the reason you got the warrant, right?
Hands behind your back, please.
Is there a reason why I'm getting processed right now?
You're under arrest.
Well, it would have been just for the warrant you had. Here, put this on. Put that on the chair. It would have been just for the warrant you had, but then obviously closing the window on an officer's arm. Not following directions and such. Do you know what the warrant's for?
I think it's what I have court for in a couple weeks. I think for
So why
drug,
not?
because I got it in December. I don't know. I don't know.
It's for failure to appear.
So why not? So why not just?
So it's for something I have court for already set in a couple
Like,
weeks.
Failure to appear, which means you didn't go
because
to
you
court.
didn't go to court.
Yeah, but they have a new court date set.
I understood. Until then, because you didn't go the first time, you did a warrant. And all it would have been was you getting out of here in 2 hours, some paperwork, and that's it.
I'm gonna pee on your chair right now, you guys.
You need to urinate right now.
I told you I have poop. I mean,
Right, well, you also said a lot of things, so I didn't know if it was just a ploy or if you wanted to just argue, or I was speaking to you calmly and kindly and you just escalated everything, so excuse me for not believing it in the beginning.
I've been trying
Stand
to
up,
speak
please.
to you calmly and
Put your
as
hand
well,
behind your back.
and that's why I'm just confused as to what's going on here, guys, because I figured you guys, I mean...
The way they treated this woman, you'd think that none of the cops had a mother or a sister or a daughter. This woman harmed no one, harassed no one, threatened no one. But she was harmed, harassed, and threatened by the protectors and servants of society. Aside from this entry taken from the Crime Watch website, I see no evidence that this woman is a threat to anybody. Police lie on reports, so they can't be trusted. What we see here appears to be a violation of this woman's privacy and her life and the rest of her liberties. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are and exercise your rights. Freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is not having freedom. I'll see you in the next video.